having a product that is fully assembled and installer friendly right out of the box makes the job so much easier. This is a product that fits like a glove. We have very little to do with reframing. It just really helps to have the right product for the application. Skylights before, given the option of shade, no shade, we had another box. Now it's very simple having everything put together. The best part about all assembly, the opening is short-lived. We're able to get on our way at a decent hour. We try to bring our world a little bit to the customer, what we see and what we handle. So when we go out to install, the general reaction is, wow, this just looks fantastic. And I have comments from homeowners that of everything we did to the house, this is the greatest improvement I've made on my home. They love the fact that they can control the daylight. I love having VELUX on my speed dial because if I have a question, they're always ready to answer. Having a product that VELUX stands behind makes a big difference